So inside your reactor, you find 2 barbs, 2 spacer, and 2 connector. In this, and then the adapter is right here. You can unscrew this. Make sure you keep the cap on like this when you're gluing them, because after you glue them, you can't remove this. So when you're gluing it, you can use clear silicone or PVC glue, whatever's. So this one will go in halfway, and this one will go in here, and then the barbs will go right there, and then your hose will go on here, and then the hose clamp will clamp on it, and then you can just turn this back on. But when you put this back on, make sure the O-ring is sealed when you're turning it. So it's like that. So again, spacer go in here, and then the adapter will go right there. This is for the FX series. When you turn it, yeah, here you go.